Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Najib Jassaruddin, and I will explain about this experiment, which is properties of fluid. Fluids have a variety of various properties that may be used to define them. Viscosity, density, specific weight, and bulk modulus are the main properties of the fluids. There are three types of fluid properties, such as kinematic properties, thermodynamic properties, and the last one is physical properties. For this experiment, using the properties of fluid apparatus, identify and study the properties of fluid and record the data to support the discussion and conclusion. The properties of fluid in this experiment should be discussed. The objective of this project is to determine the density of water and oil in three situations, which is measuring cylinder method, density water method, and the last one is Eureka can method.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amir Firdaus. In this video, I would like to explain about the basic concept of this experiment. There are many properties of fluid that can be studied in this experiment. Some common properties that are often studied include density, viscosity, surface tension, compressibility, and expansion coefficient. This experiment is to measure these properties can involve using various instruments such as hydrometer, viscometer, and thermometer. Additionally, techniques such as measuring flow rate through a pipe or observing the behavior of fluid in the containers of various shapes can also be used to study fluid properties.
Hi, my name is Zarato Ali binti Norizan. Today I will explain about density bottle method experiment. The apparatus we need is weighing balance, oil, water, and 2 density bottle. For the procedure, firstly, we have to weigh the empty density bottle and record the weight. Secondly, fill the density bottle with water until full and put stopper on top of it. Thirdly, record the weight of the water in the density bottle. The next step is repeat procedure 1 to 3 by using oil. And lastly, record the weight obtained for the oil. This is the result and analysis that we obtained from this experiment.
My name is Minyan Elisha binti Charlene. Here is the apparatus for measuring cylinder method. The procedure: first, weigh the beaker and record the weight. Second step, fill the beaker with water. Third step, weigh the beaker with water and record the weight. Pour the water into measuring cylinder, read and record the volume. 5. Measure the temperature of water and record. Repeat step 1 to 4 to obtain the average and repeat step 1 to 5 with all. Here is the result analysis for measuring cylinder method.
The apparatus for this experiment. The procedure of these experiments are: Step 1. Label 4 glass marbles as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 2. Weight all the 4 marbles and record its mass. Step 3. Fill water in the Eureka till the funnel as shown in this video. Step 4. Put the marbles in the Eureka and use the beaker to collect the water came out from the funnel. Step 5. Measure the volume of water by using the measuring cylinder and record it into the table. This is the result and analysis for this experiment.
For discussion, the result that we obtained during experiment are actually quite close to the theoretical value. The difference between theoretical and experimental result can be caused by a number of factors, including the effect of temperature, mass, and another. Temperature has an impact on density. The relationship between density and temperature is inversely proportional to each other. If the density is increased, the temperature will decrease. Next, mass is the last possible error for this experiment. The type of scale you use will affect how accurate your measurement is. For example, a kitchen scale is usually not as accurate as a lab scale that has been calibrated. However, this experiment also contains human error, which the reading is taken incorrectly.
The conclusion: water actually has a density of 100 kg per meter cube. The more precise to obtain the density is start with density water method, followed by measuring cylinder, and last is Eureka can method. The density water for a precise volume, which eliminates the human error.